We're going to learn about the C++ language today. The C++ language is an extension to the C language. It's used in a variety of topics in computer science, so it's a good language to learn. To make a variable, you put type, name, and then assign the value. So there are lots of types like integers, not this is not an integer. Okay, integers, characters, doubles, and booleans. Integers are integers, characters are one letters, and doubles are decimals, and booleans are, well, booleans. They only have two values. Anyway, and let's say age equals 10. So now the age has 10. To reassign a variable, you just put age equals something. And then to increment age, you put plus plus, which just adds 1. Doing this gives the value age minus 10, which is 0. So yeah. To add to a variable, you put age equals age plus some value, which can be written in the shorthand of age plus equals value. You can do age minus equals, age times equals, age divide equals, and all sorts of things. To print out variables, you do cout and two greater than signs, and then the variable name. If you want, you can add an envelope, which makes a new line. Oh my god. Anyway, it prints out the age. To take an input, you do C_n and two lesser than signs, and the variable you're going to put the input to. First one, and let's say we put 50, then now age has 50. Let's check that out. 50, and now age has 50. Lastly, to put in comments, you can just do double slash. So comments are things that the computer ignores, so if you just write rubbish, it won't give a red line. To write multi-line comments, you do slash, asterisk, asterisk, and then slash, and put all your comments between those. Okay, this will be the end of this series on C++ language. We will have a second episode about if statements, so check that out. Okay, bye.